Hi Swans, this is our maths lesson for today. Okay, and as we spoke about yesterday, this week we are learning all about the number 7. Okay, let's quickly recap our number cards to see if you can remember all of the numbers that we have learnt already. I'm going to be a bit tricky and I'm going to mix them up so that they're all the wrong way around to try and trick you, and then we can put them in the right order. Okay, what is this number? It's number 3, isn't it? Well done. Ooh. This is number 4. This is number 2. We have number 1. Oh, number 7. This is our new number. We have number 5. We have 0. And we have number 6. That's all of our numbers, 0 up to 7. If I get my board, you can help me put them in the right order. So which is the number that we have first when we're counting? Is it 7 or is it 0? You're right, it's 0, isn't it? We're going to put that here. So that's 0. What comes next when we're counting? 0, 1. Brilliant, well done. Here's number 1. Oh, it's a bit wonky. 0, 1, 2. Well done. 0, 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. Got 3 there. What comes next? Use your fingers to help you. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's number 4. Now, Mrs. Ladbrokes run out of room on her board. If you're lining them up on the floor, the table, you can just go in a straight line. But I'm going to have to come under here, okay? So after 4 is 5. Brilliant, well done. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have, we have 6. Let's pop some blue tack there. We have 6. And our last number, it's number 7. Well done. So there we are. Those are our numbers that we've been learning about. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Fantastic. Okay, now last week you were looking at a clock. Okay, here is my big clock. Okay, let's point to the numbers on the clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here is cheeky number 7. Okay, now just remember, Swans, we have 2 hands. Ooh, we have 2 hands on our clock. Okay, our long hand is our minute hand, and our short hand is our hour hand, which tells us what hour it is. Okay, so if I leave, we're going to do o'clock. If I leave my minute hand, on o'clock, and I put my hour hand here, tell your grown-up what time is it. What number am I pointing to here? It's a 1, so it's 1 o'clock. Tell your grown-up. 1 o'clock. If I brought this round here, now what number are we pointing to? Yeah, well done. It's 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, because we're pointing our hand to the 2, and our minute hand is on the o'clock. Oh, I'm just trying to slip down already. Here we have 3 o'clock. I'll bring it a bit further down here. What time is this? Tell your grown up. That's it. It's 4 o'clock. Okay, and we have 5 o'clock. Okay, so we've got our hour hand pointing to our 5 and our minute hand pointing to the 12, our o'clock. What about if I do this? Oh, it looks a bit funny there. That's 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock. And then we start bringing, oh, can you see that? We start bringing this back round this side, and now our clock tells us that it's 7 o'clock. Okay, because our hour hand is pointing to the 7 and our minute hand is pointing to the 12. Okay, so it's 7 o'clock. Now, I've just noticed that my 7 is in between, in the middle of 2 numbers. Can you tell your grown-up what these numbers are? What number is here? You're right, it's a 6. So 7 is in between 6. It's also in between this number. It's a different number. Do you know what it is? It's an 8. Okay, an 8. So we've got 7 in between 6 and 8. Ooh. Okay, just checking my notes to make sure I hadn't forgotten everything. Okay, so yes, we've got our 7 here. It's 7 o'clock. If we went backwards, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, you can make yourself a clock. Okay, you could draw a clock at home, and you could draw a time and get your grown-ups to check which time it is, or they could do it back to you. Okay, or you could make one. Okay, go and explore the number 7. See if you can find a clock at home, and see if you can find the number 7 and find the 2 numbers that are either side of our 7, and see if you can find the o'clock as well. Okay, you could pretend your clock like this. You could move your hands around to make the time. That would be fun, wouldn't it? Okay, swans, have a fantastic day. Okay, and I shall speak to you later. Bye-bye.